Siya ay mabait at napakaganda, hindi magbabago ang pag-ibig ko sa kanya. Merong isang araw, nakita ko siya, may sabay na ibang lalaki. Ako'y biglang lumuha. Sana, oh please, huwag mong kalilimutan. Please, oh please, mahal na mahal kita. I met a girl, his was her name. It was the first time in my life, feeling so alive, 'cause I love that girl. Please, oh please, was her name. This was her name. You are my inspiration. This was her name. You are my everything. Please, oh please, I love you. Thank you.
That was the end of our presentation.